These judgmental people, their opinions don't matter because they don't matter. Judgmental people are of a lower moral authority than those who don't judge. And we, people who don't judge, we have a responsibility to crush, to destroy those mean, judgmental bullies. And we do that with an overwhelming positivity, and we do that with our extreme open-mindedness. And when you subscribe to those values, you really stop caring what other people think. Because chances are, if other people are judging you, they're wrong.
You gotta act, and you've got to be willing to fail. You've got to be willing to crash and burn. You know, with people on the phone, with starting a company, with whatever. If you're afraid of failing, you won't get very far.
नहीं सकेगा, नहीं होगा, you won't make it, you will fail, don't waste your time. ये सब कुछ वर्ड्स है जो आपके लाइफ में कई बार सुनने को मिलते हैं. तो आप क्या करते हो? इग्नोर. फिर इनमें से कुछ वर्ड्स आपको रेगुलर सुनने को मिलते हैं. फिर भी आप क्या करते हो? इग्नोर. Then the words start dominating your brain and thoughts, and then you start thinking of yourself as incompetent, not good enough, a failure. तो आप क्या करते हो? Ignore. Nah, you crash and burn. You pack up your shit and say goodbye. Well, I think you should say, not this time. Some people are born leader while some people are born creative. It's a society that makes you the robot you are. Get a government job, push papers, get married, have kids, get old and eventually die. The society expects you to be brilliant in studies or they will start comparing you with other kids. The society expects you to get a government job or they will entitle you as a failure. The society wants you to get married on time or they will put a name tag on you saying no one likes you. The society wants you to have kids or they will declare you as important. But who is this so-called society? It's us. We are the society. And we have created this generic loophole which every individual should follow by the time he or she is born and thus die with the loop. Failing to do so will deem you as a rebel, anarchy or indiscipline. Now, I'm not saying these things are bad, but for every individual to achieve these things at the same time is quite difficult. The things which were easy to get 10 years back are way harder now, but there are things which were hard to get 10 years back are way easy now. So with each decade, each year, each month, each day, the world is rushing to molding itself into something else, and we are supposed to cope up with it. With the increase in population, with the never-ending corruption, and with the force of nepotism, the world has even become more competitive and mean. But this does not mean that you should give up. Some people might find success early, while some in the late stages of life. It all depends on you as to what really does success mean to you. For some people, earning their daily wage without problems is a success, while for some, getting rich is meant as success. Success can be as small as reaching from point A to point B, or it can be as big as carving out a mountain. When you start something with your heart and dedication, brace yourself that you are likely going to fail during the process. But failing and then moving forward is what makes the difference. Almost everyone starts their journey from the scratch, but starting something is one thing and then continuing it with dedication is another. This goes out for everyone out there who are grinding and hustling no matter what the obstacles are in front of them. If you're starting a business or if you're committing to build your body, if you're making music or if you're making YouTube videos, if you are studying to crack few exams or if you're working on a project for years now, if you're going through family problems or if you're going through financial problems or if you're planning to end your life, it all comes down to one thing, and that is take control. No one is gonna set your life and offer you in a gift wrap except for few already rich people. We need to take control on how we are gonna drive our life and live it. The meaning of life has been defined by different people in different ways, but in this era no one really knows everything and everyone knows something. But you know your work better than anybody else, so you need to take control of your work and ignore the hates, judgments and gossips. Chances are if you give up, they are gonna be more than happy to see you fall. I'm making this video not because I think I'm successful or a master of my own art in my life, but because I feel like there are thousands of people like me who feel the same. And if I could share this small amount of motivation in them to continue their work, I will be more than happy to do that. So don't give up and take control of your life. And I'll see you in the next video.